I'm sure you guys all remember the prank that Dylan did to me.
Joy!
How did you wake up?
No.
You're snoring really loud. I was like, what? You're like, did you wake yourself up again? Dylan just woke herself up by her own snore. How lovely. I'm gonna prank Dylan before she hears me. Oh my god, she's gonna kill me.
I can hear every word you're saying.
What? I said I'm not gonna prank you. Duh. Oh my god, she's sleeping. Never mind.